Zihlalwe isiqhema esikhethekileko sendaba kwa-SABC ziza kuwe ukusuka kilomakhiwo onentezi eziningi unjalo nje ubhodwe Malehe nanzi ezithutshileko.
I sought an appointment and it was granted at a particular time and I went to brief him.
Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSelifine ekhethekileko uSenzo Mchunu utshele ikomishini ephenyako bona wavumelana nomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngokuphathalatsha isiqhema samapholisa wamacala wezokubulalana ngezepolitiki.
Why would you come from KZN naming 20 rifles to look for a man like me just to take my cell phones, gadgets and stuff like that?
Usomabhizinisi weTlhagwini Jingalanga uBrian Mogotsi uthi sola amapholisa afika ngendlovu yangena ebhizinisi yakhe ahlome ngawo wonke umhlobo wengidi akasazizwa phephile.
Good governance, a culture of transparency, accountability, efficiency, and the principle of zero tolerance.
Umkholo omutsha wephiko lamajoni eMadagascar uColonel Michael Radianirina ufungiswe njengomengameli omutsha. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba godu kwe-SABC 1 ngesindebele Lotshane Makhaya. Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSelifine ekhethekileko uSenzo Mchunu uthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wavumelana naye ngokuphathalatsha isiqhema samapholisa esisebenza ngamacala okubulala kezepolitikini. Igadango lika Mchuneli eladala ukulwa enqhemeni zamapholiseni kanti ukuphathalatsha kwesiqhemesi ngikho kwenza ukomishana wamapholisa waKwaZulu Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi bona akhulume nembiki indaba ngezi6 zikavela Bahlinze. Lilanga lesibili uMchunu achukwa ngembuzo umholi wobufakazi uadvocate Norman Arenze.
Malanga amabili wonke umholi wobufakazi uadvocate Norman Arenze afuna ukuzwisisa bona bayini uSenzo Mchunu aphathalatsha isiqhema iPKTT nokuthi wabonisana nobani ngegadangweli.
Colleagues with you in your cabinet, did you not think it was important to engage with them?
Umchunu uphendula wathi wambikela nomengameli Ramaphosa.
I sought an appointment and it was granted at a particular time and I went to brief him.
So you didn't inform the president before you issued the directive, you only spoke to him after you issued the directive?
I've already said so.
U-Arenze khanga neliseke kwabe kwangena ilunga le-ANC eParliament uXola Nqola.
It is important for us to explain to the witness why the evidence leader is emphasizing agreement. It's solely because the main witness had casted doubt whether the president would have agreed for a dissolution of a political killings team. So that's why the evidence leader is emphatic when it comes whether or not the president agreed.
Ikulumo yomtata egadangisweko ekusola bona nguGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nesikhulu ngeofisini kaMchunu uCedric Nkabinde ilaleliswa amalungu eParliament.
Ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean.
He should have written it down herein if you said he should stop this thing if he is clean.
Umchunu uthi uMkhwanazi bekamthusela ngekulumo le kodwa ngenxa yemraro istekhniki la uMkhwanazi amthusela khona akhange izwakale. Umchunu uthi bekathuselwa ngombana uphathalatshe isiqhema samapholisisi. Encwadini yakhe la ngezi31 kunobayini umnyaka opheleleko uMchunu waveza kuhlelako. Umchunu uthe warareka ungezelele ngokuthi ikulumo kaMkhwanazi nembiki indaba yangen6 kuvela Bahlinze yasuswa incwadi le.
How does this affect General Mkhwanazi to a point where he would say he wants there's going to be fight back?
Umholi wobufakazi uNorman Arenze uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokugadangiswa komtato kaMkhwanazi. Umchunu uphendule wathi ngendlela uMkhwanazi khabaphendula ngayo watshela uNkabinde bona igadangise. Ikomiti le izokraga ngelesibili amalungu eParliament nakachuka uMchunu ngembuzo.
Libuyele godu liyasebenza ibhizinisi lika Brown Mokgotsi esiweding eMahikeng eTlhagwini Jingalanga ngemva kwejima lokubhudula lamapholisa izolo. Amapholisa athi vakatshola beli liyingcenye yephenyo labo eliraga umalungana nalokho okuvezwe phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga nekomiti yesikhatshana eParliament.
Ijima lokubhudula ebelingakalindeleki emakhiweni kaBrown Mokgotsi onamabhizinisi amaningi asebenza ngaphasi kwawo. Iphiko lendaba kwa SABC litshele ukuthi uMokgotsi unamanye kodwa amabhizinisi amabili ngaphasi kwendawo ahlala kiyo. Lokhu kufaka hlangana indawo ethengisa utshwala nokudla. Amapholisa athethe abofunjathwako babasebenzi bakaMokgotsi.
They asked us, where is, you know, Brown Mokgotsi? We said, yes, we know him. Where is he? And we said that we don't know where is he. Said, okay. Then they asked some ladies here, you saw him? And said, no, we didn't saw him. We are not that afraid because we didn't do anything wrong here. We just renting.
Nakwateng ba ne ba emeka ditlhobolo mo dikgorong tsotlhe tsa kgwebo ya gare Brown Mokgotsi mme bangwe ba ne ba tsene mo teng ba batlana le tsene ba batlana le tsone.
uMokgotsi utbatsho ukusukela mhlazana kubhudule emakhiweni akhe sewuphila ngokwesaba.
I'm just worried that they are now bringing this with rifles and assault rifles, more than 20 police officers in ballet gloves. And my life now, I really do not believe really, I don't know if I should really meet with them. Why would you come from KZN having 20 rifles to look for a man like me? Just to take my cell phones, gadgets and stuff like that.
Nakusenjalo izakhamuzi zithi azikathabi ngalokho kwenzekileko.
They must follow all the proper channels, and then if they, because Brown Mokgotsi has been engaging with SABC, they must engage. It's not like it's somebody who is hiding or somebody who is a fugitive. Brown Mokgotsi is around.
A form of antagonism from SAPS, because there are many people who are disgruntled outside there, but we are experiencing more than 12 cars of police, as and when they are looking for one person who is not even danger to the society.
Kuzwakala ukuthi amapholisa ebewadosa phambili ijima lokubhuduleli emzini kaMokgotsi asazokuba sendaweni le isikhatshana. uMokgotsi kulindeleke ukuthi ethule ubufakazi phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga msinyazana.
Sekudlule isikhathi esingangomnyaka eSouth Africa yasahlela mlandelande wamagulo abangelwa ukudla ekwadlulana emphefumulo yabantwana abama-20 khulukhulu ngokudla amazimba athengwe eMpaza. Esifundeni seGauteng kwabikwa izehlakalo eziningi zabantwana ababulewe ukudla okunechefu kanti naKwaZulu Natal, eLimpopo, eFree State neMpumalanga nakhona kwaba nezehlakalo ezibikwako. Kanti njengoba nakuthwaya iWorld Food Day vekele kusemehlweni kodwa ukuphepha kokudla emphakathini.
uJoseph Sathega onguyiso lika Monica Sathega weminyaka esithandathu ubudala solo nanje usabhalelwa kwamukela ukubhubha komntazinyana yakhe. uMonica ubhubhe ngomnyaka opheleleko ngemva kokudla amazimba ekuthiwa abatshobe kafakwa ichifu yamakhondlo.
Even today the photos and that of their sister, I hide them. They mustn't see them until I see they are recovered. Even myself, I cannot watch my daughter's photo. I put everything away.
Zingaphezulu kwama819 izehlakalo ezibikiwe elizweni ezithindaniswa namagula abangelwa ukudla okonakaleko. Solo kwangomhlola nje ngomnyaka opheleleko zima207 izehlakalo ezibikwe esifundeni seGauteng kwaphela. Kanti isibalo esiphezulu khulu sisebantwaneni besikolo. Umnyango wezefundo sekethula amahlelo wokufundisa abantwana ngokuphepha kokudla.
The number of cases have greatly reduced. Not to say there are not any. We've heard about not more than 5 this year that have been counting. So it shows that the program has really been working.
Kananya nesifundeni seMpumalanga ngakabikwa abantwana ababhubhileko kube nezehlakalo ezibikwako nakhona esifundeni sim.
We had 2 cases of foodborne disease, and as the department we are taking some initiatives in order to train them.
Ihlelo linikela ngokudla engikolweni lisaragela phambili nokulima indima ekunikeleni ngokudla abafundi nabangaphezulu kwezigidi ezilithoba qobe lilanga lokuya esikolweni. Kanti uqalana nomraro wokudla womnyaka opheleleko lo, umnyango wezifundo sisekelo uqinisa amahlelo wawo wokuphatha nokubeka ukudla.
As Department of Basic Education, our duty was to review that guideline for tuck shop operators so that it can accommodate what has happened.
Kanti ngaphezulu kokuphepha kokudla engikolweni kukhuthazwa ukuphepha kokudla ngaphandle kwamasango wesikolo ngombana ukudla okuthengwe ngaphambi kokuthi umntwana esikolweni kungenza umehluko omkhulu phakathi kokudla kuhle nokuba sengozini komntwana.
Ihlangano iBaby Box Organization okuyihlanganisela eholwa iBaby Savers South Africa nehlangano enjenge Door of Hope and Open Arms zizibandakanya ngaleleni umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi eKhoto. IDSD ithi ukusetshenziswa kweBaby Saver akusisemthethweni wabantwana begodu kwenza ukuthi abantwana baliselelwe. Batsho isusa nomsebenzi wombelethi wokutsheja umntwana wakhe beyenzeni ukuthi umntwana angasayazi imvelaphi yakhe.
Umhlali lidorojana lemaplasini elisehlagwini yakwaZulu Natal ihlangano engalawulwa mbusi Project Life inzinze emphakathini lapha begodi indawo ekubekwa kiyo amasana angasafunwako. Ihlangano leyithi le indawo esibili lapha aboma babeka khona abantwana lokho umana kangasafuna umntwana loyo ngenxa yomthlago ukukhathunyezwa ungakaphili kuhle ngokomkhumbulo namkhukunyefulwa ngokuba nesana. Indawo le inendawana lapho umbelethi akhona ukuchiya umntwana angabonwa umuntu begodi ngendlela ephephileko. Kodwa umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi ukhupha isiphakamiso sokuthi inhlangano zingayisebenzisi indawo leyo. Kodwa inhlangano ziphikisana naso isiphakamiso eso.
We've been able to help 15 moms so far through the Baby Saver because they made contact asking questions about the Baby Saver to then direct them to a social worker or to get them some support.
Lapha phikiswana ngento embili. Kelinye ihlangothi baqala umthetho wokuthuthukisa umntwana amalungelo obuntu nokuthi umntwana unelungelo lokuphila. Elinye ihlangothi lithi umntwana nabambeka endaweni leyo uzokulahlekelwa imvelaphi yakhe. Ihlangano esebenzisana nebesizwe elihabako lezempilo ekungiba ababona ntanzi ngomhlolo lokhana kuleli alarm ebika ukuthi kunomntwana olethwe kwabe kwindaweni le iphawule nganasindlela.
We get exposed to horrible things. We find them in the latrines and we find them unfortunately dead. Something like this really excites us because it gives us an opportunity to find healthy babies and keeping them in good health.
Amakhaya wabantwana athi insetshenziswezi zisindisa impilo zabantwana abaningi. iBaby Savers South Africa nezinye inhlangano bamangalela umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi bafuna bona indinyana ezithileko zomthetho wabantwana zithathwe njengezingasemthethweni.
Kanti ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngendaba yesililo sokuvala kwendawo ezithatha amasana angafunwako. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Umuntu odosela ihlangano le ekhotho mkhathi ngimbona enza into errong ukhulu ngani ngoba nyana ihlangano le ihlogomela abantwana.
Ngibona ba bangade bamangalile ezindawo zibagcinayo ngoba bazayithatha phi imvelaphi yabantwana abalahliweyo.
Okungenani fanele belwisa abazali ukuyibona bafake ingane emabhokisini.
Bona naba bayisemakhodo banasipho isisombululo lesingcono.
Ya ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi lenkantolo uma imangalela lezi inhlangano ithi mabenziwe njani abantwana.
Mina ngithi abenza okhunye make bakhuluma okhunye bangamangaleli ihlangano leyo ilisizo elikhulu ikhulisa abantwana beyibahlogomele.
Into ebalulekile kuphepha kwebantwana angiboni ukuthi bangaya emakhodo sekudlala ngemali.
Inhlangano ezihlogomela abantwana ziyoyazelaphi imvelaphi yabo ngoba abantu bebafanele babafundisa imvelaphi babalahlile.
Umbono ngeumukele SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Nasibuya entolo.
Siqalelela kakhulu abantwana abenze kuhle abaphase ngamalengiso in the institution of higher learning. So siqalelela kakhulu lokho and also siqalela nokuthi umuntu uzikhakhazisa kangangani ngesikhabo.
Sivakatshelwe ihlangano ekhuthaza ifunde emntwaneni womuntu onzima iNdebele Student Association izokuhlathulula indimayo. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli nazi kuphunduleko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Nasilalamela zangaphandle sibuya nezeMadagascar ezithi umholi omutsha wephiko lamajoni eMadagascar uColonel Michael Radianirina ufungiswe njengomongameli omutsha. Umnyanya wokufungiswa kwakhe uza ngemva kobana ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo yamukele ivoti yokuhocisa umongameli walokhu uAndry Rajoelina ngelesibili. Ukufungiswa kwakhe kuza ngemva kobana uRajoelina abalekile elizweni ekuthomeni kwevekele.
Le jour d'aujourd'hui marque
This marks a historic turning point for our country, with the people in turmoil, driven by the desire for change and a deep love for their homeland. We joyfully open a new chapter in our national life.
Lapha bekufungiswa umholi omutsha uColonel Michael Radianirina njengomengameli omutsha ngelesihlanu.
Nous mettons au centre de nos actions.
We place good governance, a culture of transparency, accountability, efficiency, and the principle of zero tolerance at the center of our actions.
Nanyana kunjalo ihlangano yentshabe ezibumbeneko iUnited Nations kunye neAfrican Union zihlabe kumbi igadango lokuketula kombuso nomkhulumeli wehlangano yeUnited Nations uStephen Jurek wabawa ukuthi kubuyelwe ekambisweni yomthethosisekelo.
The Secretary General condemns the unconstitutional change of government power in Madagascar and calls for the return to constitutional order and the rule of law.
Nakusenjalo loyo oyilecturer ekulu nomcozululi wezepolitiki uDr Frank Likaba Evans uthi ukucabhela ephikweni lesijoni kuzokucharaganisa izinto njengombana ukujanyiswa kwehlangano yeAfrican Union kungabangela ukuthi ubuholi belizweni la buhlukane phakathi eMadagascar.
If you don't manage the transition very well, you run a risk of losing investors. You run a risk of worsening, deteriorating the situation, of rebuilding the country and all of that.
Ngakelinye ihlangothi iSADC ithethe isiqondo sokuthumela isichema semphathimandla zeSADC ukuyokulinga ukufumana isisombululo endabeni yeMadagascar.
Ihlangano yabafundi abasemazukeni aphakemeko wezefundo abamandebele iSindebele Students Association beyibambe umnyanya waqobe eminyaka wokuhlonipha impumelelo kezefundo. Ubuholi kunye nokubekezela kwelutsha ngehlangothini lefundo mhlapha lapha emzimkhulu wezohatshe SABC eM1 Studios. Kanti phambidlana namhlanje umbiki indaba weSABC uphindile Msiza uxoxisene nesekela likamongameli wehlangano le uLindiwe Mahlangu. Ake sizwe ukuthi kukhambe njani.
Nangambala Cedric sise studio 10 emzimkhulu weSABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Kadike sinechudu ngoma namhlanje sivakatshelwe lisekela likaMengameli wehlangano ebuthelela beyicheje abafundi abakhuluma ilimi lesindebele emazikweni aphakemeko wezefundo eSouth Africa pha iNSA kanti yena nguLindiwe Mahlangu. Namahlangu siyakulochisa begodisa kwamukela endabeni zesindebele kuSABC 1.
Ngikulochise ephindile ngilochise nababukela emakhaya. Thank you for having me.
Ngiyathokoza. Ungakeke uhlathulele umbukeli ekhaya ukuthi iyini iNSA nokuthoma kwayo?
Indebele Student Association kube yi-branch ethome ngomnyaka ka-2018 University of the Witwatersrand. Na ukusungula kwayo kwaba ukuthi izokuba yi-branch ese-University ye-Wits, but over the years iNSA oyibona namhlanje seyinama branch over 17 across South Africa in all the different universities and colleges.
Lindiwe mhlapha nibambe umnyanya wokugidinga ihlangano le khona la emzimkhulu weSABC eM1 Studios. Ungangani umehluko nasele ulinganisa lapha iNSA ithome khona ukufika namhlanje?
Number 1 kwaba ukuthi kusikhombise thina as the leaders of the association ukuthi there is growth kwi-association yethu, and then kwasikhombisa nokuthi abantu the way baphume ngakhona kwaba baningi reg umnyanya bomkhulu, and those were some of the signs ebesikhombisa ukuthi we are doing something, and that is amazing as association.
Lindiwe ake siqale ihlangothi leli oqeda ukukhuluma ngalo njenganje lokuhlonipha abafundi abangabonongorwana kuyini eniqala kakhulu nofana enikutshejako nenikubekela phambili njengehlangano le ukuthi umuntu agcine esele athumbile kuthiwe othumbile kongilo
Esiqalelela kakhulu esikupromote kakhulu iacademic excellence association so siqalelela kakhulu abantwana abenze kuhle abaphase ngamalengiso in the institution of higher learning so siqalelela kakhulu lokho and also siqalela nokuthi umuntu uzikhakhazisa kangangani ngesikhabo nala aphuma khona
esele sesivala nje namahlangu kuyini enifuna ukuyibona yenzeka ukuchinga phambili nofana yenziwa iNSA ukusuka la
ukuya phambili we are not looking ukuklomelisa abantwana ngama award kuphela that is one of the things that we do annually yes but we have other programs that we run that has to do with skills development would have seen in the past senza ama poetry competition senza ama work accelerator programs as well ukwenzela ukuthi sigcugcuzela abantwana ukuthi even if we are not in the academic space there's other programs that you can join with NSA azokuthuthukisa njengomuntu omutsha
sethoza namahlangu
thokoza mina
loyo ke bekungulindiwe Mahlangu isekela lika mengameli weNSA ekuyihlangano ekubingwe ngayo ukulonda nokuthuthukisa amalimi eSouth Africa pha kunye nokukhwezelela itshisakalo yokuqhakatheka kwefundo emntwini omutsha eSouth Africa pha osemazikweni aphakemeko wezefundo ukwenzela ukuthi ilwazi ebalimunya emazikweni aphakemeko kube lilwazi ebakwazi ukudlulisela nesizukulwane nesilandelako ngefanelo asibuyele kuwe studio Cedric
Kanti nasiqala ke zemali ranta liqinile nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikolo